Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are conducting a mock test set 3 which includes 35 MCQs. So watch till end and comment down your score out of 35. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Kimchi is a product of which country? Options: A. Japan, B. China, C. India, D. Korea. Correct answer D. Korea. Question number 2. Dry ice is dash. Options: A. Solid nitrogen, B. Solid oxygen, C. Solid carbon dioxide, D. Solid hydrogen. Correct answer C. Solid carbon dioxide. Question number 3. Wheat is lacking in which amino acid? Options: A. Cysteine, B. methionine, C. lysine, D. tryptophan. Correct answer C. lysine. Question number 4. Sorption isotherm is plotted between moisture content and dash. Options: A. Water activity of food product, B. Temperature of product, C. Relative humidity of product, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Water activity of food product. Question number 5. The preparation of jelly does not require which of the following? Options: A. Acid, B. Sugar, C. Pectin, D. Salt. Correct answer D. Salt. Question number 6. The color of anthocyanin at low pH is dash. Options: A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Brown. Correct answer A. Red. Question number 7. Renin is a dash. Options: A. Protein, B. Enzyme, C. Fatty acid, D. Antibiotic. Correct answer B. Enzyme. Question number 8. Angle of repose of wheat grain is dash. Options: A. 27, B. 37, C. 47, D. 57. Correct answer A. 27. Question number 9. Mycotoxin is produced by dash. Options: A. Aspergillus flavus, B. Penicillium, C. Coxiella burnetii, D. All of these. Correct answer A. Aspergillus flavus. Question number 10. The visible range of spectrophotometer is dash. Options: A. 200 to 400 nanometer, B. 800 to 1200 nanometer, C. 400 to 700 nanometer, D. None of these. Correct answer C. 400 to 700 nanometer. Question number 11. When milk is coagulated, the part that remains is called dash. Options: A. Casein, B. Whey, C. Butter, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Whey. Question number 12. Pectin is precipitated by dash. Options: A. Alcohol, B. Ammonium hydroxide, C. Petroleum ether, D. All of these. Correct answer A. Alcohol. Question number 13. The biological value of egg is dash. Options: A. 93, B. 63, C. 73, D. 43. Correct answer A. 93. Question number 14. Taste buds have a life cycle of dash days. Options: A. 90, B. 60, C. 30, D. 10. Correct answer D. 10 days. Question number 15. Rhodopsin is a mixture of dash. Options: A. Rhodopsin and opsin, B. Opsin and 11-cis-retinal, C. It is not a mixture, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Opsin and 11-cis-retinal. Question number 16. Which of the following is not central tendency? Options: A. Mean, B. Median, C. Mode, D. Standard deviation. Correct answer: D. Standard deviation. Question number 17. Which among the following has the lowest penetration power? Options: A. Gamma rays, B. X-rays, C. Microwaves, D. Infrared rays. Correct answer: C. Microwaves. Question number 18. Which enzyme is responsible for browning of cut fruits and vegetables? Options: A. PPO, B. Amylase, C. Lipase, D. Proteinase. Correct answer: A. PPO. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a preservation technique? Options: A. Fermentation, B. Packing, C. Pickling, D. Microfiltration. Correct answer: D. Microfiltration. Question number 20. Which one is class 1 preservative? Options: A. Sorbates, B. Carbonates, C. Salt, D. Benzoates. Correct answer: C. Salt. Question number 21. Carbonated drinks and water is packaged in dash. Options: A. PET, B. PS, C. Polyamide, D. None of these. Correct answer: A. PET. Question number 22. Which of the following cannot be prevented by consumption of probiotics? Options: A. Urinary tract infection, B. Digestive disorders, C. Respiratory disorders, D. All of these. Correct answer: C. Respiratory disorders. Question number 23. Which of the following is amphoteric in nature? Options: A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, D. Fibers. Correct answer: B. Proteins. Question number 24. Deficiency of niacin can cause dash. Options: A. Beriberi, B. Pellagra, C. Scurvy, D. Rickets. Correct answer: B. Pellagra. Question number 25. Which of the following is an example of cryogenic agent? Options: A. Liquid hydrogen, B. Liquid nitrogen, C. Liquid carbon monoxide, D. None of above. Correct answer: B. Liquid nitrogen. Question number 26. Which of the following contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory factors? Options: A. Spices, B. Condiments, C. Both, D. None of these. Correct answer: C. Both. Question number 27. Which of the following differentiates a sample based on its intensity? Options: A. Diotrio, B. Triangle test, C. Ranking test, D. Paired comparison. Correct answer: C. Ranking test. Question number 28. Heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius is called? Options: A. Specific heat, B. Enthalpy, C. Latent heat, D. None of these. Correct answer: A. Specific heat. Question number 29. The enzymic reactions are most affected by? Options: A. Temperature, B. pH, C. Both, D. None of these. Correct answer: C. Both. Question number 30. 10 degrees Celsius is equivalent to dash Fahrenheit. Options: A. 20, B. 30, C. 40, D. 50. Correct answer: D. 50. Question number 31. Blackening of pickle occurs due to formation of dash. Options: A. Hydrogen sulfide, B. Bromates, C. Oil, D. Vinegar. Correct answer A. Hydrogen sulfide. Question number 32. Which of the following mill uses compressive and shearing forces? Options A. Ball mill, B. Hammer mill, C. Roller mill, B. Pin mill. Correct answer C. Roller mill. Question number 33. Which of the following is the cooking technique that will allow the retention of most vitamins? Options A. Pickling, B. Roasting, C. Frying, D. Boiling. Correct answer A. Pickling. Question number 34. Which of the following is responsible for spoilage of eggs? Options A. Penicillium, B. Cladosporium, C. Thamnidium, D. All of above. Correct answer D. All of above. Question number 35. For tenderization of meat, the enzyme used is dash. Options A. Papain, B. Rennin, C. Lipase, D. All of above. Correct answer A. Papain. Now comment down your score out of 35. If you have missed out our previous food tech quizzes, we have linked them down in the description. For daily quizzes and more updates, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.